Hi guys, this is Neha and today I'm gonna show you how to make a photo frame with the things which are quite handy to all of us, and those are a chart paper, a brush, some rice, glue, any color of your choice. Here I'm taking a copper color, then some cardboard. So for which photo I'm making the frame, the size of the photo is 12 centimeter by 16 centimeters. So we'll be cutting this part of the cardboard to see the photo, and this is gonna be our base. And these three pieces of cardboard we will need. Extra this out, we have this, and these three pieces. So now we will cover all of it with this black chart paper. Now after covering it all up with the chart paper, we have this and this. Let's stick it all. This is our base, and as you can see we have these three, and this will go like that. After we stuck these three pieces, we have this to lift. We lift this part because from here our photo will go in. So let's stuck this thing here. After stucking it up, we have this. Now what we need to do is have some rice, glue, and this is a mixture of glue and a little bit of water in it. I am doing it in portions because if we don't do it in portions, the glue will dry and it won't take the rice. So after it's dry, this is how it looks.